Hey, right, it's Michael and
Alex
and
Ruben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, doing a
special unboxing.
special unboxing.
It's not often we drag you two together in the same room for an unboxing, but this is one that I thought could use a bit of two different perspectives.
Yes, because that's what you're going to get with this one.
That's it, very
So,
much so.
are all the boxes the same product?
The same theme, but not the same exact item. So we're going to have to tear into at least a couple of them to see what's in
I'll
there.
start that side, I'll start this side.
Done. You know what? I'll make it safe, Michael. Here we go.
Safety first, they tell me.
Time will tell if I've given the right box to the right person or if you're going to have to do a swap. But I think there might be some biases going on here.
Oh, nice. I like this one already.
I actually don't mind this one.
We are looking at another Zombuck product.
Yeah, I've got two different breeds in here, mate. Is that correct? Oh, okay, you don't know either. Excellent.
All right, here we go.
So I think this one's probably the same as. Let's have a sneak peek and see what's going on.
Now, I'm excited because I haven't seen these designs, I do not believe.
Ah, so it's something slightly different to yours. So do you want to start off with yours or mine?
Oh, yeah, no, mine. I have...
Gloves, man. Where's the gloves?
I'm not touching them. I'm using the tube. This is the copper Necrowolf. I actually really like this design. The last one was the Libertated, I believe, that we unboxed. And that was, I preferred the silver in that. Wasn't huge on the copper, just the way it came off. But this one, I really like this.
So it's a take on the Royal Canadian Mint Timberwolf, I believe this one. We were contemplating if it was the werewolf that it was a take on, but that one's kind of already a bit supernatural and, and whatever on its own. But yeah, I believe it's the Royal Canadian Mint Timberwolf.
And then to set it off,
Oh, I really like that.
I have the silver version of it. Put them side by side.
I
Actually,
really
they
like
look.
that. They look
I don't
really
like
good.
these, but they look really good side by side.
This is one of the this is one of my favourites out of the whole lot.
So, if you're into these kind of anti-establishment, I suppose is the way to put it, stick the copper one there, mate. Stick it next to it, because I've got one to stick next to that as well. Yeah, that kind of anti-establishment type of bullion or copper. This is for you, and this one will really get him going. See this one.
I like that too. I actually prefer that to the coloured Libertated.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So interesting take on the, like I said, on that alternative side.
So I've got this ruse. And we'll have a look
You can
at
do it that way.
that way as well.
So we've got it in the coloured, or is Little Coin Shop going to have the coloured?
I think Bullion Now sold them last time.
So we'll stick with Bullion Now having them. We've got them in the 1 ounce silver and then the 1 ounce copper, and obviously they're different price points. So that's actually really good. I don't know what the price is. We haven't priced them out yet, but the copper will be far cheaper because it's copper than the silver is itself. And we've got...
But wait, there's more.
Now.
They're not steak knives.
That's right.
But...
This one's a little bit controversial.
Oh, okay, I love this. All right, this is the Zombuck Silver Note. And it is absolutely glorious.
Yeah, see, I
This
hate to
is a
admit it,
winner.
but I actually really like it.
Look,
I was meant to be against it.
I know, Michael,
As
what's
negative
going
as
on?
I
You
thought
know
it was
what?
going to be.
It's. I think the design's just coming off on all these a lot better than the Libertated. Maybe because it's a chunkier look. You know, you got a larger depiction of, say, the creature, the zombie. But they on each one, I think that's a winner. Because I wasn't a huge fan of the coloured or the copper with the Libertated. I like the silver and I love the silver note. But in these, they're great. This is still my favourite. The overpriced silver.
Yeah, look at it.
But-
do we know how many grams is it? not even grams. It's an ounce. It's 100th of an ounce. So it's 100th of an ounce. What's that? 0.3 of a gram
Look,
of total silver. But
the
I mean,
ultimate fractional.
yeah. Well, it's the ultimate fractional. We
Not
know,
in price and certainly not in premium.
yeah. But this is starting to wander into that that art kind of product.
I think it's well into the art. It's starting and it's right there. That to me, this is an art piece. This is why I bought the other one. Just it makes a beautiful display. And now it's like Pringles. I popped it. Now I can't stop. I've got to get the next one, next one in the line.
So look, they're in stock. I got to say these will sell quickly, and we can't get any more at this stage. They were a very, very limited production out of the States. We were very lucky to secure the amount we got. I don't think I'm going to get a second crack at them.
Okay.
The coins, again, we've got them while we've got them. I don't think we're going to bring them in again, particularly the coloured. So if that's your bent, and that's kind of where I head, that's kind of, you need to grab them early. The other two I think we'll have for a little while, famous last words. We'll have a little while and obviously different price points. So,
and while we're recording, and while this, on record, whatever we have of these, which is limited, it's -1 now. Okay, so
Alex has grabbed one. I think I might be grabbing one too, if I'm completely honest.
wow,
So,
okay. I'm gonna have to watch you grab one because this will be the first, won't it?
the first that I'm admitting to.
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
All right. That's it for now. Like we said, grab them while you can, and we will talk again very, very soon.
See ya.
See ya.